Welcome. In front of me is Chuwi HiPad, or however you pronounce this, HiPad X, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here where you get to select your desired language right over here. And from there we can go to the next page, which allows us to connect to some kind of Wi-Fi or insert a SIM card. Now you can obviously skip this if you want to, which is what I'm going to be doing. So that was a SIM card, here is the Wi-Fi, and I'm skipping both. Now because I did skip both of the network connections, the device has no access to network, and thus it does not know what time it is. It knows the region that I'm in, but it doesn't know the actual time. So you can fix it up right here, but if you're planning to connect to your network later on maybe, then you can disregard this page right here, because once you connect to network it will automatically fix it up. Now here we have some Google services, so we have three different ones. We have location scanning and sending user diagnostic data, and to go quickly into them, location is just GPS tracking, scanning allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and send user diagnostic data allows Google to spy on you. Now next page allows us to set up some kind of screen lock. That can be a PIN, pattern, or password. You can tap right here to select which one you want. By default it opts into a PIN, as you can see right here, but I'm gonna change it to pattern. And there we go, it is now set. And there we go, the setup is now complete. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.